Hello and welcome to Ready Set Demo from Elizabeth's Craft Room. How was your Christmas and New Year? Was it weird like the rest of 2020? Let's hope that 2021 brings us back to much more normality, and hopefully we can all meet together again all over the world, and that would be my hope for the new year. I have been working over the festive period with some new goodies from the Stampin' Up catalogue. These are the blending brushes. I don't know about you, but I came to these new. I hadn't used blending brushes before, and it was really good fun to learn all about them and learn different ways that I could use them. And I have put together a technique class for you. If you haven't done one of my technique classes before, the idea of these is that we learn 12 different techniques, starting from the basic ones to the more, nothing's complicated with Stampin' Up, but the more involved ones. You have printables, which you can print out. And these describe what the technique is and how to do it. You also get a video for each technique. In addition, you get a printable tricks and tips type sheet, and you also get an introductory tips video as well. I also do a quick video showing if you want to share it using a Memories and More folder and store your techniques using Memories and More. These are some from last year that we did. You can actually do that, and I will show you how to set up your techniques in a Memories and More folder. But you don't have to do that. Alternately, your customers could make them on little cards. Technique classes are really useful in your business. You can do what I'm doing with this one, which is to teach it as a masterclass, where they will do all the techniques and learn all the techniques. Or alternatively, you could pick a technique out of the book and then also do some cards where you use that technique that they've learned to produce some projects, and that way you could do one technique a month or something like that. So it depends on how you want to use them. I've been doing and offering technique classes for 3 years now, something like that. They have been my lifesaver during the COVID time, because I have done Technique Tuesday with my ladies and I have not run out of techniques yet, because we've done so many over the years. So this can be a standalone class, or you can add it on to the other technique classes that I have available, but it's entirely up to you. So what do you get in the class? You will get 12 techniques using the blending brushes, the printable hints and tips. These, by the way, my printables have no logos on, so you can print them out and share them with your customers. I just ask that you don't share them directly online, because obviously then you're giving that away for free. So share them with your customers where you are getting paid for doing so in some way. There are, as I say, hints and tips video, also showing you how to care for your brushes, how to store your brushes, a few ideas on that, as well as the basics on using them. We have got a printable index sheet as well, and again you can alter that if you need to, but everything is printable in A4 and in US letter size, so I've edited the files so you can choose which one you need. I've also changed the spelling, particularly the word colour, which comes up a lot on this one, for American spelling. So for the US letter size. We've of course got a step-by-step video of each of the techniques as well. You can teach this as a with product class, so including the brushes with it, or if you're able to teach in person, you can Let your customers use your brushes, and goodness me, they're going to want to buy them. They are so fabulous. I absolutely love them. So if you would like to buy the class, it is just £10. Yay! I still haven't put my prices up in all these years. It is still £10 for 12 techniques and all those goodies. It works out around about, last time I looked, it was about $12 US because the pound has plummeted at the time of filming. Let's hope it does improve at some point, but I usually say about 12 to 13 US. I will email the class straight over to you as soon as I receive your payment from PayPal. Just bear in mind that if we're on the other side of the world, if you're in Oz, you probably have to wait till I wake up, but I will send it straight over. So you can start making, samples and sharing this class. Oh, I didn't mention the other thing I've done. It's a printable that has all the layouts of how to show them in your Memories and More book, should you decide to share them that way. Think I've remembered everything. Wishing you and your loved ones a very happy, healthy 2021. Let's hope we get back to normality this year. Let's hope I get to see some of you at live events and things. So take care, everybody. Happy New Year.